wewunya nolaba abantu nti bakiise ministers, okay, they cannot even notice that they are being manipulated by Museveni to cling onto power, okay. They have jeopardized in broad daylight our constitution, our parliament, okay. The parliament makes a decision. Museveni nakwata abakiise, he takes the officials, manipulates them in chankwas, okay, slaughters some of his cows, brainwash them, poison their minds, okay, make decisions against the will of the parliament, okay. You look at such people, they say they are educated, they are professionals, stupid, okay. There are so many ways of poisoning your minds, and Museveni is doing it openly in chankwas. But our officials, the people we think we voted, have let us down because of their stomachs, okay. A stomach has killed so many Ugandan brains, okay. Most of the Ugandans are desperate and poor, and Museveni knows that, okay. He capitalizes on your poverty, he capitalizes on your hunger, and feeds you, poisons your minds. You end up voting for stupid ideas, okay. You imagine the officials, all of a sudden, they vote unanimously for stupid reasons, for stupid ideas like homosexuality should be legalized. You look at officials like that, how can we have such officials in government, okay? Sitting on a full stomach, sleeping, and you are just voting. What are you voting for if you are unconscious, okay? These are different ways of how people should understand that this government is full of stupid politicians, okay, who are just hungry, focusing on their stomachs, stupidly cheating Ugandan efforts, okay. We should avoid such, and we should fight such practices, okay. This is brain poisoning. They have poisoned their minds, they have poisoned their future, they have poisoned the brain of every single NRM official, okay. This is stupidity of the highest degree, which we should fight against. No. We should fight against such stupidity, okay. We should not rely on our stomachs. You see, any official who is voted and aiming at fulfilling, satisfying his own needs, we should fight such officials. They are greedy and they don't care about what we need, okay. They are so stupid to see the projects Museveni is trying to create in Uganda, okay. You see, you look at the president, he claims people like him, okay. People support him. If people support you, how can you go to visit people who are suffering from landslides and you're armed to the teeth, okay? In every, the soldiers, the guards were even more than the victims, okay? You are visiting people who are suffering from landslides. What's the essence of carrying a gun? It means you know people do not like you. The whole world should notice that this is a sign people are tired of him. He's forcing his military regime onto the people, okay? No person likes him. He is forcing them to stay in power by scaring them. Every single person is spied. Soldiers, military personnel are all over the place, okay? This is a sign that we hate his government. We hate his regime. We don't like him, and he knows it, okay? If someone is a people's president, he should come openly with people, among people, without even a single firearm. This is a sign people hate his government. We hate his regime, okay? That's why he arms himself to cling onto power by certain people, okay?